Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Bridget and in today's video we are going to be making green chili sauce. I will list all the ingredients in their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. So starting, I'm going to be cutting or chopping all my ingredients. I have here my green onions, I have some ginger, green pepper, serrano chilies, some jalapenos. I'm going to cut everything. Now we're going to be blending this in the blender. We'll be using oil to blend it to help us cook this sauce down quickly. I'm using the green onion to help me cut down on some of the heat from all the peppers. So I'll place everything in the blender. I'm doing it in batches. So I'll add some oil. After blending this, I'm going to add some more peppers so we can blend this quickly and start boiling down the sauce. So after everything is done, I'm going to add everything and we are going to put this on the stove top and start boiling it. I'd like to use this opportunity to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, my already subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back to support me. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. And also press the notification button so that you are notified anytime I upload a new video. And thank you so much for doing that. At this point, I have cooked the sauce down halfway so it no longer splatters. So I'm going to be adding some salt. You can add any other seasoning that you would like. I'll stir everything together and I'm going to be placing this on very low heat now and just allow it to cook some more. Once you see your oil separating from the sauce or settling on top of the sauce, it is a great indicator that it's ready or almost done. So you can just store this when it is all cooled down in your airtight container. You can freeze it, you can put it in the refrigerator and it's going to last for a long time because the water has all drained out of it, which is something that can make your sauce go bad quickly. So you can enjoy this sauce with any food of your choice. Dip it with fries, a yam, fish, banku, kenke. I sometimes add it to my soup because I don't normally add hot pepper to my food because I have little ones that may eat it sometimes. So I have this on the side. Sometimes I just boil it without even adding oil and that's helped me so much. Thank you so much for joining me in today and I'll see you in the next one.